Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out a budget-friendly gaming beast that packs serious power without destroying your wallet. It's the iBUYPOWER Scale Orange Gaming PC. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price, especially if you're building a setup or gifting a first gaming rig. Brain emoji, the specs, what you're working with. Let's get into the core specs. AMD Ryzen 5 5500 CPU. 6 cores, 12 threads, solid for gaming and multitasking. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, 6GB, great 1080p performance with ray tracing support. 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, dual channel, 8x2, smooth multitasking. 500GB NVMe SSD, fast boot times and game loading. This is a great entry-level to mid-range gaming PC that'll handle esports titles and most AAA games at 1080p with no problem. Video game emoji, gaming performance, surprisingly strong. So how does it perform? I ran some popular titles to see what this machine can really do. Fortnite and Warzone, easily hitting 100+ FPS on medium/high settings. Apex Legends and Valorant, butter smooth at max settings. Cyberpunk 2077 and Hogwarts Legacy, around 60 FPS at medium with DLSS on. For 1080p gaming, this setup punches way above its weight, especially considering the price point. Ice emoji, cooling in case, clean, cool, no RGB. One thing I really like, the case is simple and sleek. It's got that scale orange look with just enough edge to stand out, but without over-the-top RGB, for once. Perfect for players who prefer a low-key vibe. Airflow is decent, and temps stayed in check even during longer sessions. Plus, it's quiet, no jet engine fan noises while you're mid-match. Jigsaw emoji, upgradability, you've got room to grow. This is one of the best parts, the internals are standard and accessible, which means you can upgrade the GPU down the line. Add another SSD or HDD easily. Swap in faster RAM or more storage as needed. So you're not locked in, which is a huge plus in this price bracket. Technologist emoji, everyday use, not just for gaming. This rig is also great for everyday tasks like school, streaming, video editing, and even light content creation. The Ryzen 5 plus 16GB RAM combo means no lag when multitasking, and that NVMe SSD keeps everything snappy. White check mark emoji, final verdict. If you're looking for a solid 1080p gaming PC on a budget with clean aesthetics and upgrade potential down the line, then the iBUYPOWER Scale Orange desktop is honestly one of the best plug-and-play options out there right now. Perfect for beginners, students, or anyone who just wants to game without the stress of building from scratch. Don't forget, check the link below to get it today at the best price, and if you found this review helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment with your current setup, and make sure to subscribe for more honest tech reviews every week. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one. Alien monster emoji, desktop computer emoji, fire emoji.